Can you learn 10 Spanish words in just 60 seconds? Let's find out. The Spanish word for hello is
Hola. Repeat after me. Hola.
The Spanish word for thank you is
Gracias. Repeat after me. Gracias.
The Spanish phrase for please is
Por favor. Repeat after me. Por favor.
the Spanish word for yes.
Y sí. Repeat after me. Sí.
The Spanish word for no is no.
No. Repeat after me. No.
The Spanish phrase for good morning is
Buenos días. Repeat after me. Buenos días.
the Spanish phrase for good night is
Buenas noches. Repeat after me. Buenas noches.
the Spanish word for goodbye is
Adiós. Repeat after me. Adiós.
the Spanish word for friend is
Amigo. Repeat after me. Amigo.
the Spanish phrase for how are you is
¿Cómo estás? Repeat after me. ¿Cómo estás?
awesome. You just learned 10 Spanish words in 1 minute. Comment Hola if you remembered them, and follow for more fun Spanish lessons.